Hello friends, I am from Makar Controls. We are launched the new app CalciWeigh, which is just a replacement for your price computing and built-in weighing solution. Let me run through the app. Once you get into the first screen, you press the setting button. You get weighing setting, press the weighing setting. Then you can choose the unit, that is device. The device is selected. You can select the unit, which is kg. After that, just press the done button. Now the device is paired and the unit is selected. Similarly, go into the enter company name, where you can enter the company name. Press done button. This message will come on power on. This pairing needs to be done only once while installing the app. After that, every time when you come into the app, automatically the software, the app will get connected to the weighing machine automatically. Now let us go into the app, press the weighing button. Now the main screen comes. Here, if the weight is not updated, you can press the reconnect button. Then the weight updation starts. Any item you can keep, press tab button, the display becomes 0. Now some weight is shown on the display, just press tab button, the weight becomes 0. Now you can add your items. After keeping the item, just press plus button. Now the weight is shown, it is asking for the rate. Enter the rate, the total amount is shown, press done button. Now one item you have weighed, along with the quantity and the rate, the amount is shown. You can remove the first item. Now you are keeping the second item. Similarly, press plus button. It is asking for the rate. Enter the rate and plus done. Now two items you have weighed. The subtotal is shown over here. While billing items, if you want to add any item which are being sold in pieces, press the kg. It is asking for the rate as well as number of pieces. You can enter the number of pieces and press done button. Now the item added is quantity based. During billing, if you want to delete any item, swipe, the bin button is shown, icon is shown, press, the item gets deleted. It is asking for the confirmation. Press yes, the item gets deleted. Once all the items are billed, you can press the cross button. Now there are 3 queries shown. Add this value to your total sales, or delete this total bill, or cancel this. Now if I press add, this amount is added to your daily sales amount. So what is this daily sales? This gives you the total sales per day. To check this, you can just go back, go to the setting. You can say sales today. It will show you what is the amount, that's the total sales as on today. Dear customers, refer this app to your friends and get benefited. For this, press the referral and follow the procedures mentioned. We have created an Instagram account wherein we will be posting our new developments. Follow us. This app will be available in Google Play Store. Download, start using and get benefited. Thank you.